Diddy, the trial. Cassie finishes her examination. It's spicy. Let's get into it. It starts with Cassie and the defense. And what the defense is doing is they're painting a picture of inconsistencies. Inconsistencies are one of the best detections of deception, especially in a court of law. So the defense starts with the Intercontinental Hotel, and they give a little context to it. Cassie is having an affair with an NFL player at the time, which starts part of the fight. Some people may feel like, hey, maybe he was consumed with anger because he found out she was having an affair. It shows that there's some inconsistent behavior on the part of Cassie in terms of her meek, sweet. She has to do whatever Diddy says. No, she's seeing guys behind his back. And they show a different side of Cassie, one that is a little bit stronger, tougher. I will effing unalive you. I have never unalived anyone in my life. I am going to F you up. So it's another side of Cassie that they want to show, something inconsistent with what she claims her actions have been throughout this trial. Then they go on to the reason for leaving, why the relationship ended. She finds a picture of Diddy and this woman right here, Gina. This isn't the actual picture, but this is Gina. So Gina is somebody that Diddy used to date, and it made her mad. That was when she broke up with Diddy. During this process, she claimed Diddy unconsented her in September of 2018. In trial, it changed to August of 2018. Now, I don't think that was that significant. It's not something I would really point out, a month difference. Like, I think then you start looking like you're kind of grasping. So that wouldn't have been an inconsistency I would have pointed out, but this is what the lawyers focused on. Then we get into something very interesting. Cassie says, I have love for the past and what it was. This is after they break up. I have love for the past, that horrible past of the freaks and the freak-offs that I was doing. I thought you didn't like that. You're away from him. You have a husband now. Hold on. Cassie, I do love you. I just prefer not being one of your girlfriends. She wants more. Cassie says, we can embrace, LOL. There's a question. The defense lawyer says, did you smash with Diddy that night? Answer, yes. So she's smashing Diddy when she's with Mr. Fine. They're already broken up, and it was a horrible, horrible relationship. The freak-offs and making her do it and giving her girls that she didn't want and all of the things. She was unconsented. She didn't give any consent. Then she goes back after she's already gone and has Mr. Fine, and then she's smashing Diddy consensually, and her husband calls for a FaceTime call. This is a woman who was willing to do whatever she had to do for fame and fortune.